Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will present Chinatown, Singapore.
Chinatown is one of the most visited places in central Singapore. Here are the 4 things you can do in Chinatown.
Visit the Chinatown Heritage Center. Head over to Pagoda Street, where the museum is located. It is housed within the 3 restored shophouses. This museum shows you some Chinese history, such as the footsteps of Singapore's early pioneers.
Experience a multi-ethnic cuisine in the Chinatown Food Street. Food Street is located at Smith Street. It is an al-fresco dining style with street hawker stalls, shophouse restaurants, and kiosks that offer a great selection of different Asian cuisines.
Buy souvenirs. Make a leisurely walk along Smith Street, Pagoda Street, and Sago Street. Located along these streets are the shophouses where you can buy antiques, souvenirs, and gifts ranging from fashion, jewelry, kitchenware, traditional goods, and a lot more.
Photoshoot at Mural. Make a quick stop at 30 Smith Street where you will find this mural. This painting is a perfect photo background. Ask someone to snap a photo of you, strike a pose, and smile.
That's all for now. We hope that you enjoyed watching this video.
We are looking forward to sharing with you more exciting places here in Singapore.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe button below. See you again in our next video.